Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you 18 easy hairstyles for short hair. Whether you have a pixie cut or a bob, these hairstyles will give you some new ideas on how to switch up your look. Let's get started. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Step 1. The Pixie Twist. Start by dividing your hair into 2 sections. Twist each section back towards the nape of your neck, securing it with bobby pins. Repeat on the other side. This look is perfect for when you need to get your hair out of your face but still want to look chic. Step 2. The Braided Crown. Part your hair down the middle and create 2 small braids on each side of your head. Bring the braids up and around your head, securing them in place with bobby pins. This look is great for when you want to look elegant but still keep your hair out of your face. Step 3. The Messy Bun. Gather your hair into a high ponytail, leaving a few strands loose at the front. Twist the ponytail around itself to create a messy bun, securing it with bobby pins. Pull out a few more strands at the front to frame your face. This look is perfect for when you're in a rush, but still want to look put together. Step 4. The half-up top knot. Take the top section of your hair and gather it into a high ponytail. Twist the ponytail around itself to create a top knot, leaving the rest of your hair loose. This look is great for when you want to keep your hair off your face, but still show off your shorter length. Step 5. The side part. Simply part your hair to one side and tuck the hair on the smaller side behind your ear. This look is classic and sophisticated. Step 6. The sleek bob. Straighten your hair and tuck it behind your ears. Add some shine serum or spray to give your hair a sleek finish. This look is perfect for when you want to show off your shorter length in a chic and sophisticated way. Step 7. The twisted updo. Gather your hair into a low ponytail and twist it around itself to create a messy bun. Secure with bobby pins. This look is great for when you want to look effortless but still put together. Step 8. The French twist. Start by gathering your hair at the nape of your neck. Twist it up towards the crown of your head, securing it with bobby pins. Tuck any loose strands in with more bobby pins. This look is perfect for a night out or a special occasion. Step 9. The Faux Bob. Gather your hair into a low ponytail and roll it up towards your nape. Tuck the ends under and secure them with bobby pins. Pull out a few strands at the front to create a more natural look. This look is great for when you want to try out a shorter length without committing to a cut. Step 10. The side braid. Part your hair to one side and create a small braid on the larger side of your part. Secure the end of the braid with a small elastic. This look is perfect for when you want to add a little extra detail to your hairstyle. Step 11. The side twist. Take a section of hair from the larger side of your part and twist it back towards the nape of your neck. Secure with bobby pins. Repeat on the other side. This look is simple but adds a little extra detail to your hairstyle. Step 12. The low bun. Gather your hair into a low ponytail and twist it around itself to create a bun. Secure with bobby pins. This look is elegant and sophisticated. Step 13. The messy side part. Part your hair to one side and use a texturizing spray or salt spray to create a messy, tousled look. This look is great for when you want to embrace your natural texture and add a little edge to your style. Step 14. The mini top knot. Gather a small section of hair from the crown of your head and twist it around itself to create a mini top knot. Secure with bobby pins. This look is cute and playful. Step 15. The curly bob. Use a curling wand or curling iron to add loose waves to your bob. Use your fingers to loosen up the curls and add a little texture. This look is perfect for when you want to add some volume and bounce to your hair. Step 16. The half-up twist. Take a section of hair from each side of your head and twist them back towards the nape of your neck. Secure with bobby pins. This look is simple but adds a little extra detail to your hairstyle. Step 17. The side swept bangs. If you have bangs, sweep them to one side and secure them with a bobby pin. This look is simple but adds a little extra detail to your hairstyle. Step 18. The messy half-up bun. Take the top section of your hair and gather it into a messy bun at the crown of your head. Leave the rest of your hair loose. This look is perfect for when you want a relaxed, effortless style. There you have it. 18 easy hairstyles for short hair. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some new inspiration for your short locks. Don't forget to like and subscribe.